And welcome to this video in which we're going to take a look at the ways in which we can add a link or a button that will let users send an email straight to our email address. This video is going to have two parts. In the first one, we're going to see how we can do that in the WordPress editor, and in the second one, we're going to take a look at our Thrive editors. Let's start with a regular link, and for that I'm going to insert a text here, and then I'm going to select this part of my text and go to the Insert or Edit Link option. I'm going to click on it, of course, and this field will appear. Now the trick here is to simply write the email address in this field while also adding the mail to part in front of your email. So simply write in mail to and two dots and then your email address. And then you can click on apply or hit enter on your keyboard and you will see that the link will be applied. Don't forget to update this page, and let's go ahead and preview this page on my phone. And as you can see, we do have the link right here, and if I click on it, I will be taken straight to my email with the email address added right in the to field. So this is how you can create a text that is linked to an email address, and you can do the same with a button. So let's take a look at how we can do that. I'm going to remove this text and click on this plus sign to add a button instead of that text. And I'm simply searching for the buttons shortcode here, and I'm going to grab it and drag and drop it here, and of course customize the text. In the case of a button as well, you will be able to use its link option, and in this field simply write in mail to, two dots, and your email address. Don't forget to update the page, and then you can go ahead and test it on your mobile phone. So as you can see, instead of the text, we now have this button, and if we click on it, we'll again be taken straight to our email with the email address already added in the first field. For the second part of this video, I want to show you how you can achieve the same thing using one of our Thrive editors, and the process is fairly similar. So let's go ahead and start with a regular link, and for that I'm going to click on this plus sign and add a text element to my page, just like this, and then I'm going to select the text and go to the top panel right here, click on the link option and do exactly the same as in the case of the WordPress editor. So I'm going to write mail to, two dots, and then my email address. I'm going to make sure I save this page, and then I'm going to go ahead and access it from my mobile phone. So this is our page, and we see the text link right here, and again we can see that this works as expected. And of course we can do the same thing with the button. I'm going to remove this text and add a button element to my page. And once I've customized the button as I wish, I'm going to make sure it's selected from the breadcrumbs, go to its main options, and in the button link section in the target URL field, I'm going to proceed the same as in the other three cases. So mail to, two dots, and my email address. And then simply saving the page will save the link as well. Now let's test it on mobile. And as expected, clicking on the button will take us to our email app, and the address is already placed in the to field. I really hope this was useful to you, and make sure to check out the rest of the articles and tutorials from our knowledge base. And we also have a similar video showing you how you can achieve this with a phone number. So make sure to check that one out as well.